Pre-statistics. Overview of the course. Welcome, I am Scott Horn, the creator of this online course. This video will give an overview of this online course. In this video, I will talk about the course layout and the material integration inside the Blackboard site, the required and the supplementary videos, the weekly preparatory assignments, the textbook options, the required graphing calculator, the 3 proctored tests that you can take on or off campus, what to do if you need additional help, and finally, the requirements for the course. This course was designed that all the activities are integrated into the Blackboard site. There are embedded YouTube videos. There are links to the online MyMathLab homework assignments. There is access to the textbook online, as well as a link to the optional weekly video conference called Connect. This course is outlined by using weekly tabs. Each week a new tab will open. Everything that you need to do for that given week is fully contained in that weekly tab. All the video content can be viewed directly inside of Blackboard, and the weekly tabs give a consistent layout of the course material. Each week a new tab will open Friday morning, and all activities for that week are due Sunday night at midnight, 10 days later. Each weekly tab includes clear directions on what to do, a preparatory assignment, embedded instructor-created YouTube videos, embedded supplementary videos, online MyMathLab homework assignments, online test gen quiz over the previous week's material, and finally a discussion board topic. Once you are in a weekly tab, you will see clear directions on what to do for that week, what you need to read in the textbook, what videos to watch, what homework assignments to complete, what other assignments to complete, and what happens if these activities are not completed. Instructor created videos. These are the videos that you are required to watch. Once you are in a weekly tab, you click on the instructional content folder to view the embedded YouTube videos. These videos can be watched directly inside the Blackboard site, and this is how you complete the preparatory assignment. Supplementary videos. These videos are not required, but you can watch them if you need to see additional examples or if you need additional help. Inside the folder you will see embedded YouTube videos and also links to other web pages that offer additional help. Preparatory assignment. Each week you will have a preparatory assignment in Blackboard. These assignments ensure that the required videos have been watched and the problems completed. They are simply guided notes which help engage the 3 basic learning styles: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. These assignments are completed by filling in the missing blanks with the keywords shown in the videos. You will download and upload the assignments using Blackboard's Assignment Manager. Assignments sent by email are not accepted. Past students have commented on the course evaluations that these assignments helped them when they studied for the Proctored Tests. This is an example of what the preparatory assignment looks like. You download the preparatory assignment, print it out, and as you watch the videos, you fill in the missing blanks. Once the assignment is complete, you scan the pages using a scanner to your computer and upload the file to Blackboard. If you do not have a scanner, I have a list of free apps that you can download that will allow you to use your phone to take pictures and change the pictures to a PDF file. Textbook options. The textbook for this course is a custom edition from Pearson, and this course uses MyMathLab. You are required to purchase a MyMathLab code, and you can purchase just the code, or you can purchase the code bundled with the textbook. Most students just buy the code itself because it gives you access to the online textbook. MyMathLab code also gives access to the online homework assignments, which are worth 10% of the final grade. You can access these homework assignments from Blackboard with no additional login, and the code does give you access to the textbook online. The code also gives access to other online materials such as videos, datasets, formulas, applets, and other things. Once you start working on homework assignments, you'll see helpful options like view an example and help me solve this. And finally, the code gives you access to the student's solution manual, which has the odd textbook problems completely worked out. So it's a great resource. Graphing calculator. A graphing calculator is required for this course. The TI-83 or the TI-84 is preferred, and the videos for this course illustrates how to use a TI-83 or 84. Proctored Tests. To ensure academic integrity, there are 3 proctored tests for this course. They are worth 75% of the final grade. These tests can be taken on campus, Main 316, or off campus at a different college or university or testing center with an approved proctor. The proctor must be an employee of the college or university or at the testing center. If you take the proctor test off campus, you and the proctor must complete the proctor agreement form in order for the proctor to be approved. This form is found on Blackboard and must be submitted before the due date on the form. And for this class, there are no makeup tests. If you need additional help, you can see me on campus during my office hours, during my time at the Success Center. Off campus, you can ask me questions in the Ask the Instructor forum on the discussion board. You can send me an email, and another option is to click on Ask My Instructor on the homework assignments. And finally, you can ask questions in the optional Connect session. Requirements for the course. This is what you need for this online course. A computer with high-speed internet. You will need a printer to print out the preparatory assignments. You will need a scanner or a phone that can take pictures, and those pictures can be converted into a PDF file. You need a graphing calculator. Again, a TI-83 or 84 is preferred. You need a MyMathLab code to access the online homework assignments. And the time requirement for this course, on average, 12 to 15 hours each week. Thanks for watching.